Welcome back to you all, dear children. This is a continuation of the day. This is a second video, but in this video we are going to begin a new scene. This is act number 2, scene number 3, and we shall begin from line number 1. This particular scene takes place in one of the rooms of Shylock's house, and the characters you will find in this scene is only Jessica and Lancelot. You should know who is Jessica and who is Lancelot. Lancelot already you know, he was the servant of Shylock. He is the servant of Shylock even now, and he will soon leave the service of Shylock and he will become the servant of Bassanio. Jessica is the beautiful girl child, is a beautiful lady. She is the daughter of Shylock. She is the daughter by blood, but in behavior she is very different. She is in love with Lorenzo, who is a Christian. She is a Jew. Now, why is Lancelot here? Lancelot is here in order to say goodbye to his master Shylock. He wants to leave Shylock and become a servant of Bassanio. So for that purpose, Lancelot is here in Shylock's house. Alright, now in this background, we shall start our discussion today. Act 2, scene number 3, Venice, a room in Shylock's house, enter Jessica and Lancelot, and these are only two characters present in the scene. Jessica has been told by Lancelot that he is leaving the service. So Jessica is feeling very sad because Lancelot always amused and kept the house very entertained. And when she comes to know that Lancelot is leaving, she feels very sad. Jessica says, I am sorry thou will leave my father. So you are leaving the service of my father. I am feeling very bad. Jessica says, our house is hell. She says, our house is hell. And thou a merry devil. And you were a cheerful devil. Since you were staying in our home, you were also a devil, but you were very merry. You always kept us very happy. We were very happy in your presence, especially I myself. This rob it means reduce. Your presence had reduced the taste of tediousness. Taste of tediousness means boredom. Your presence had reduced the boredom of the house. But fare thee well, goodbye. There is a ducat for thee, take money also. Ducat is the currency there in their country. And Lancelot soon at supper time, because Jessica knows that Lancelot is leaving this service and is going to Bassanio's service, okay, going to become a Bassanio's servant. So she says, and Lancelot, soon at supper time thou shalt see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. You are leaving this service and you will go to your new master, who is Bassanio. But in Bassanio's house, you will see Lorenzo as a guest in the evening. Give him this letter. Give this letter to Lorenzo. Do it secretly, without anyone knowing it, and so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. I don't want to see my father talking to you. So Jessica gives a letter and some money also, and says, Lancelot, you are leaving this service and going to a new master in the Bassanio's house. In Bassanio's house, a guest will come, Lorenzo, and give him this letter secretly. So when a secret letter is given, it is a love letter, because Jessica is in love with Lorenzo. Lancelot says, adieu, goodbye. Tears exhibit my tongue. Tears have tied my tongue, because when we cry, we can't speak properly. So it looks, we can consider that Lancelot was feeling very pity to leave the house because of Jessica, not her father. And so he was feeling very sad. He was also crying, and because of that he was unable to speak properly. So he said, tears exhibit my tongue. Most beautiful pagan. Why is pagan? Because pagan is actually used for non-believer in God, okay? But since they did not follow Christianity, so that pagan has been used, because she was a Jew. Most sweet Jew. If a Christian do not play knave and get thee, I must deceive. So if a Christian with whom you are in love with plays a knave, means betrays you. If a Christian betrays you, if that Lorenzo betrays you, I will be feeling I will feel that I have been deceived. Because you are so good that you deserve the most gentle man of this world. And if you are betrayed, then I will feel I am deceived. I must deceive. But adieu, these foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit. I am a man, but sometimes I also start crying, and when I cry, I feel as if my manly quality has been suppressed. because man is not supposed to cry. Whenever a man cries, it's a feminine quality coming out. Okay, so I feel that my manly quality is suppressed. Anyway, goodbye. So he goes away. Jessica says to herself. Okay, it's a short soliloquy, speaking to oneself. Jessica says, farewell, good Lancelot. Alack, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? Heinous sin means a very, very terrible sin. It's a very terrible sin. What a terrible sin is coming in me that I have started feeling ashamed of being a daughter to my own father. If you feel ashamed of being a son or a daughter to your own parents, then that is a sin. And that is not an ordinary sin, that's a heinous sin. But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. I am a daughter by blood. Okay, but I do not carry any of the manners of my father. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife. Strife is a struggle, a conflict. A conflict is going on in Jessica. That means she is a Jew. A struggle is going in her. She is a Jew, and she wants to become, but she does not want to. She does not like Jews. So a struggle is going on, and she says that, oh my love, Lorenzo, a struggle is going on. If you keep your promise made in love to marry me, then I will be your wife. I will myself become a Christian, and the struggle that is going on will automatically come to an end. I will neither remain a Jew, nor do I have to hate Jew. I will become a Christian because her husband will be a Christian, so she herself will become a Christian, and so that struggle will come to an end. I will become a Christian and thy loving wife, and with this we come to end this particular short scene. But remember, there are some important things we come to know. That Jessica is a very fair lady. She is the daughter of Shylock, but she is not very proud. She does not feel very proud. Okay, Shylock was very rich, but she is not bothered about the richness of Shylock. She is ashamed of being a daughter to Shylock. She herself indirectly hates Shylock. She does not like Shylock, and she also does not like Jews because she struggles. She says, she accepts, she admits that a kind of struggle is going on in her heart, and she wants to be a Christian. By marrying a Christian, she will become a Christian, and this is the only way to end a struggle, a kind of struggle that is going on in her heart. So this is one of the shortest scenes we have in this drama, but we come to know about the character of Jessica. She was I always feel that Jessica was a very fine character created by Shakespeare, but that light which she has been overshadowed by Portia. But she is a very fine character. She is the daughter of Shylock and going to be a wife to Lorenzo. She later on elopes with Lorenzo. So dear children, we shall stop our class.